Good morning. I just woke up. Mm. I want to show you this, guys. My pantulog outfit, guys, because it's so hot here in the Philippines. It's very hot, guys. Just like me, it's very hot. Ayan, look, guys, my pambahay outfit. My pantulog outfit, guys. Ayan. I just woke up. Ayan. Gising na naman ako ng umaga, guys. Ayan, because of the rasta. Because of the roster, guys. It's so maingay. So maingay. Look, guys. Ayan, my hair is so, I really love my hair, guys. It makes me young. It makes me young, guys. Hi, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Look, my 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 pantulog outfit. My pantulog outfit, guys. I really love it. Ayan. My simple outfit for today. A pantulog outfit, guys. I really love it. I really love it, guys. Ayan. This one. My I really love it. My pantulog outfit. Look, my hair, guys. My hair is so maganda. I really love my hair, guys. It makes me young. The run. Ayan. Look at my back, guys. My body is shaping now. Yeah. Back, back, back. Ayan. My pambahay outfit. My pantulog outfit. I really love it because it's so hot here in the Philippines. It's very hot. So that's it for today, guys. Oh my God.